affection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention, beautiful soul.
One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? As long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Forgiveness meant what we've torn, a chance to rebuild what was worn. With honesty guiding my stride this time. Now just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games, as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. 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 Yeah, just call my name.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my lies. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break
write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I looked up 'cause I believed in all those lies, that you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, hate this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you live. Let's let you live. What you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, feel so. Need this void now, you don't look back. Let's and dust those tears when you said to me, I cry, baby. And I've been told that you moved now, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up, and I can't love myself now. I live like I own these lies, that I'm not enough,
She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glam.